very clearly stated in the press which I given that don't compare Delhi to Goa. I had said that if they want to learn the Goa model, that is welcome to come. I have been intimated by your press and through various other social media that I have gone for a debate on the medium of power in Goa. I have no issue in debating with the like-minded people who understands power problems of the state of Delhi or Goa. A person who is an MLA or vice chairman of a particular jail corporation who is not connected to power at all, I don't seek to debate with him. But I can always say that the power minister of Delhi is here, can come and debate with me. However, because there is a contention that he is coming tomorrow, he is welcome to my office to discuss anytime. I will be available till 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock in the evening office. He can walk in my office at the secretariat and ask me whatever advice he wants, which I can give him on behalf of the government of Goa. The question of debate was never there, but debate is there. If the Honorable Power Minister of Delhi comes with me, anytime I am there for debating, because that is what technically we have to do. I cannot debate on water issue. My Honorable PW Minister will debate on water issue. So the person who has asked for debate is Vice Chairman of jail. That is their water supply treatment. That is a different issue. So I am here with anybody who debate on power sector in Goa, provided that Honorable Chief Minister has met me, the Power Minister of Goa, and I will debate with the Power Minister of that state anytime they ask me. I never challenge anybody. I have said it in my press because some खंयतरी लोकांनी त्यांच्या आपाच्या मनशांनी केल्ले की दिल्लीच्या सरकाराकडे गोयच्या सरकारान शिकपाक जाय आनी तांकां जाय जाल्यार आमी तिकेट दिता. सो आमचे गोयच्या सरकारा कडेन पयशे आसा तिकेट वचपाक म्हण हांवें सांगलेले आनी तांकां जाय जाल्यार गोयचे आमी कशें पावर करता तर तुमी येवन गोयचे शिकचें ना सांगलें. हांवें डिबेट म्हण केन्ना म्हणूंक ना. आतां जर ते म्हणटा डिबेट जाल्यार पावर मिनिस्टर कोण तरी MLA आनी जल वायस चेअरमॅन उलोवपाक म्हणजे ते प्रोटोकॉल आमी सांबाळपाक जाय. So he has asked for government to government level, and you cannot have a debate with somebody who is a vice chairman of jail of Delhi. So I am here to debate with the Power Minister of Delhi. He can come anytime, and he is appointed time. Or if he wants me to come to Delhi, also I am ready to come to debate on the power sector of Goa. Not somebody who is. He has to maintain protocol issue there. No? That I am my honorable Chief Minister, Power Minister, and I am representing the government. So government has to represent it properly. So Delhi government and Goa government can always debate. There is nothing more.
Has they contacted your office or something like that?
No, I have not been contacted by the office, but I can always say that through your medium, through paper, through Twitter, through this, I also see social media. So he has said that he is coming on 17th. So I am saying through your medium also that he is please welcome to my office at any time. I will be there till 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night. He can walk into my office and ask whatever he wants to ask.
Minister, they have announced date and even
दिल्ली पावर डिपार्टमेंट और गोवा पावर डिपार्टमेंट में क्या चेंजेस है?
दिल्ली पावर डिपार्टमेंट जो है ना चेंजेस बहुत है. दिल्ली पावर डिपार्टमेंट जो है वो हम डिबेट करने के लिए मैं बाद में बोलता हूँ, लेकिन जो है डिपार्टमेंट गोवा का डिपार्टमेंट है, गोवा इलेक्शन डिपार्टमेंट पावर गोवा में रखता है और जो डिपार्टमेंट है दिल्ली में वो आउटसोर्स किया हुआ है. तो एक पहला फर्क है. बहुत कुछ और फर्क है, वो बाद में बात करेंगे.